I always do some exciting things during my birthday. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. So today I'm going for a hike, guys, to Mount Daraitan. Starting a trek early 3 a.m. in the morning. So it's completely darkness. We need to rent a headlamp so we can see the trail. Let's do this. At the same time, it's very challenging, guys. They said it's just a beginner trick, like difficulty level only like 5 out of 10, but actually this one's quite challenging. And as we Filipinos like to say, laban lang. Station 1. I've been continuously going up at least like 85 degrees just to keep on climbing and trekking. Whew. And also we passed through a cave, guys. Ooh, very nice, very creepy at the same time, but it's how exciting. Okay, let's continue to do this. I haven't slept yet and I am so hungry, but continue moving forward. We're almost at the top. Whew. Let's do this. Let's never give up, right? You need to push your limits. No matter how hard it is, just keep on going on. Never give up. Just like in life, don't ever give up. Sir, almost 4 hours of hiking. Oh, finally arrived in the summit. Kapuyoy. Welcome, Mount Daraitan. Finally. Oh, good job. The hardest climb often have the best view. And I'm so glad that I get to experience this during my birthday.